Hi students, I am your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. In today's session, I am going to teach you nomenclature rules, 11th class organic chemistry, naming of compounds having functional groups, selection of longest chain. So in the case of functional groups, how to select the parent chain, students? See here in this compound, here OH group is there, it is a functional group. So in the given compound, functional groups are there, means the functional groups must include in the parent chain, students. If I select this one as a parent chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons, here OH group is not included in the parent chain. Clear? So that's it, this is incorrect order. So here if I take here from this one numbering, OH group is attached to this carbon. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, anyone we can select as a parent chain. Here I am selecting as a parent chain. Now OH group is attached to the parent chain, correct or not? It is included in the parent chain, it is attached to the parent chain. Clear this one? So we can select this one as a parent chain. Clear? Okay, number parent chain. So what about this one? It is a side chain, students. This is the parent chain, this is the side chain. This is acting as a substituent. Okay, now how to write names, students? Total 4 carbon atoms are there, here substituents. What is the formula, students? Formula what? Secondary prefix, primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Clear? Secondary prefix indicates what, Nana? Substituents, right? Primary prefix indicates cyclo. It is a closed structures. It is meant for closed structures. And root word means number of carbon atoms in number of carbon atoms with like that. Okay, carbon atoms. And primary suffix indicates ena, ena, etc. And secondary suffix indicates the functional groups. Clear? Now, according to this order, write name. Here, this is the parent chain. Third carbon, this group is attached. This is acting as a side chain. So, here 2 carbons are there. 2 carbons means ethyl. Substituent, na? Ethyl. It is attached to the second carbon. So, here 2 ethyl compound name. First, we have to write substituent name. 2 ethyl. Clear? Next one, parent chain. How many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atoms are there. Here primary prefix is absent. It is a closed structure. It is meant for closed structure. It is not a closed structure, open chain compound. So it is absent. Root word. How many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms means what? What is the root word? Bit. Clear? Bit. Next one, primary suffix. What is the primary suffix? Ena, ena, ena. All single bonds are there in the parent chain. 1. Okay, all are parent chain. That all are single bonds are there in the parent chain. So that's why we have to write en. And here functional group is there. In case of functional groups, in the primary suffix, the terminal e in the terminal e is replaced by the secondary suffix, students. So that's why here A in full form you should not write. The last letter E is replaced by the functional group, secondary suffix. So secondary suffix, where it is there, students? OH group is attached to the first carbon. Clear? So here but N ol. Clear, students? That means OH group is suffix name is ol. Okay, na? So in the primary suffix E is replaced by the secondary suffix ol. 2-ethyl butanol compound name. Clear? So like this you have to write name. So this is the incorrect one order. So all the whatever the functional groups are there in the given compound must include in the parent chain. Clear, students? Now take this example. Second example, Nana. Second example. See here. Here double bonds are there. Here double bond is there. Now how to take the parent chain, students? How to select the parent chain? Tell me. Here if I take numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there. Okay, now 6 carbon atoms. What I told you, Nana, functional groups must include in the parent chain. So that's why here double bonds are there. Double bonds, whatever the double bonds, triple bonds are there, must include in the parent chain. Maximum number of double or triple bonds must include in the parent chain, students. So here double bond is there. Then so these 2 bonds compulsory include in the parent chain. So we have to select the parent chain like this. Here you can start the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there, but we should not select this one as a parent chain because here double bond is there. Whatever the double bonds and triple bonds are there must include in the parent chain. Even if it contains less number of carbon atoms also, we have to select that only as a parent chain. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the parent chain. This is the side chain, students. Clear? Now tell me what is the name? What is the name, students? Tell me here total third carbon, this group is attached. Okay, third carbon. Now what is the name? 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Third position, it is attached to the third carbon. So compound name is 3. 3 carbons means propyl 3 propyl, clear. 3 carbons means prop, substituent na yl. Next root word, primary prefix is absent, root word. How many carbon atoms are there? 5 carbon atoms are there. 5 carbon atoms means pent. Okay na, primary suffix. In the given parent chain, how many double bonds are there? 2 double bonds are there. 2 double bonds there means what we have to write, students? A diene. But where were there, students? Here double bonds, it is at first carbon and third carbon. Clear? Pent 1, 3. Clear? 1, 3. A diene. Clear? A diene. 2 double bonds are there means a diene. Okay na? Pent a diene. So this is the compound name. Clear? Now take here violation of lowest sum rule. Next compound. So in this case, students, here numbering C, violation of lowest sum rule. I am giving numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. That means here lowest sum rule we have to follow. More than one side chains are there. Here one, here one, here one. So that's why lowest sum rule we have to follow, Nana. Lowest sum rule. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From left to right. So what is the sum of the locant, students? 2 plus 2 plus 4. How much, Nana? 8. 2 plus 2. 2 methyl groups attached to second carbon. We have to take double time. And 2 plus 2 plus 4. OH group is attached to the fourth carbon. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Sum of the locants left to right, this one. And next right to left I am taking numbering. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I am giving numbering for carbons. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the sum of the locants, students, here? Sum of the locants 2 plus 4 plus 4. How much, Nana? 10. 2 plus here fourth carbon 2 methyl groups attached na, so 4 plus 4 is equals to 10 out. So what is the sum of the more than one substituents are there means some lowest sum rule we have to follow. Clear? But here this is violating, students. Why, students? Here functional group is there, substituents are there. So in case of substituents and functional groups both are there means to the functional group always should give the least number. Okay na, least number. So if I take left to right, Nana, fourth carbon OH group is attached. From right to left OH group is attached to second carbon. So least number always we have to prefer. So that's why here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is right to left is the correct order. This is the correct order and this is the incorrect order. Why? Because here OH group is a functional group. To the functional group always should give the least number. Even if it violates the lowest sum also. Actually lowest sum is 8. That means left to right only we have to select, but we are not selecting this one. This is selecting even if it contains more than lowest sum rule. If it is violating also, we have to select this one as a parent chain. Understanding? To the functional group always should give the least number. Clear? Right. Now tell me names, students. Right to left is the correct order. Now tell me substituent names. Tell me 4, 4. Clear? 4, 4. 2 methyl groups are attached. Dimethyl. Clear? 4, 4 dimethyl. Next, in the parent chain total 5 carbon atoms are there. 5 carbon atoms are there. Pent. Clear? Pent. Next, all here all are single bonds in the parent chain. A, no. And here in A N E, the last letter E is replaced by the secondary suffix. Here OH group is there. Ol. Functional group, it is attached to the second carbon. So that is 2-ol. Pentan 2-ol. Clear? 4, 4 dimethyl, 5 carbons pent. Okay, all are single bonds. We are using formula only. Understanding, students? By using this formula only I am writing all compounds names. Clear? This by using this formula only you have to write name. Right? Next one, exceptional functional groups. See here in this case exceptional functional groups. CHO, CO, OH, CO, NH2, CN, COR, COX. So in the given compound these functional groups are there, students, must assign number 1. Understanding? For these groups we have to assign number 1. Clear? Number 1 we have to assign. So where COH group is there you have to start the numbering. So here this is always you have to give number 1. Understanding? So these functional groups, that means the functional groups which starts with the carbon. See here carbon which starts with the carbon. Okay now, must be assigned number 1. Okay, so here 1. From here you have to start the numbering. Understanding? So if I take from here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means any one we can take because both are having the same number of carbon atoms. So I am taking this one as the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our student side chain. Clear? Side chain. Then how to write name, Nana? Side chain substituent is attached to the second carbon. So second carbon, two carbons are there. Ethyl substituent na ethyl. Total 4 carbons are there. Understanding secondary prefix substituent name completed. Primary prefix cyclo. It is meant for only alicyclic compounds. It is not a closer chain structure, so that's why it is absent. Coming to the root word, total number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. So in the parent chain, total 4 carbon atoms are there. 4 carbon atoms means what is the root word? Bit. Next, primary suffix ena, ena, ina. In the parent chain, all are single bonds are there. So an. Okay, and primary suffix, in the primary suffix E is replaced by the secondary suffix, students. E is replaced by secondary suffix. Secondary suffix is attached to the COOH group. This is one COOH group is this is a secondary suffix, functional group. What is the secondary suffix name? COOH. COOH is, that is oic acid. Understanding? 2-ethyl butane. Understanding? Butane. In the place of E, what we have to write? Oic acid. That means the terminal E is replaced by the secondary suffix oic acid. Clear? So this is the compound name. Now here, how to give the numbering, students? Here CHO functional group is there. It is started with the carbon, so you have to start the numbering from here. Understanding? So from this carbon you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here maximum number of carbon atoms are there. This one we have to select as a parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is one arrow side chain. Then what is the name of the compound? To the second carbon, if substituent is attached, then what is the name? 2-ethyl. Second position ethyl group is there. 2-ethyl. Total 5 carbon atoms are there. Means pent. All are single bonds. No. E is replaced by the secondary suffix. Secondary suffix CHO group is there. That is Al. All. CHO functional group suffix name is all, students. Understanding? So COOH, oic acid, CHO is there, means all we have to use. Understanding? So this all I give the table, Lana. In this section only I will tell you the table. Okay? So the table you have to practice, then it will be very easy, students. Okay? So like this you have to write the name. Next one, writing the name of the compound. Okay? Writing the name of the compound. See here, students, how to write this name. CHOH. Here OH functional group is there. OH functional group. First write numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I give numbering like this to the functional group, OH group, here least number always should give. So here second carbon OH group is attached. If I start from numbering right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon OH group you will get. Understanding? Third carbon you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Means third carbon OH group is attached. So that's why here this is incorrect order. Clear? Incorrect order. So we have to select only that OH group. To the functional group always should give the least number. That one we have to select the parent chain. Clear? So the left to right is the correct one, students. This is the correct one. Then how to write the name? How to write name? See here. So here there is no substituents. Total 4 carbon atoms are there. 4 carbon atoms are there. Means what is the root word, students? Bit. Okay, bit. Next one, second carbon. Here all are single bonds are there. What is the formula? Secondary prefix substituent. Substituents are not there in the given compound, so that's why it is absent. Then go for primary prefix. It is cyclo. It is also absent. It is not a closed structure. Next go for root word. How many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? Total 4 carbon atoms are there. That's why I wrote here bit. Next one, primary suffix ena, ena, ina. Here all are single bonds are there, so that's why we have to write en. But functional group is there. The terminal e in the primary suffix, okay, is replaced by the secondary suffix. That means en, it is attached to the which carbon, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon OH group is attached. So butanol. Clear? So this is the compound name. Clear? 4 carbons, bit to all single bonds enu. Second carbon OH group is attached to all. Now take this compound, students. How to write this name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. From this side also 1, 2, 3. Third carbon only. So you can select anyone as a parent chain. Clear? So third carbon functional group is there. C double bond O. So that is one ketone. On. So now how to write the name? Total 5 carbon atoms are there. Pent. All single bonds only. No. Okay. Third carbon on is there. Penton 3 on. Clear? Penton 3 on. Penton 3 on. So this one we can write it as butan 2 ol. This one we can write 2 butanol. 2 butanol also correct. Or butanol 2. Also we can write butanol 2. This also penton 3 on. We can write it as 3 pentanone. 3 pentanone. Otherwise pentanone 3. Clear? We can take any one name. 3 are correct only. Okay. Next compound. Organic compounds having 2 or more identical groups. Identical functional groups are there means. Here only one functional group is there means how to write name understood. Then here 2 or more identical functional groups. 2 or more identical functional groups there means how to write name. See here in this compound how to write name. So first of all numbering you have to give. Here 2 OH groups are there. Same functional groups are there. 2 identical functional groups are there. Clear? 2 identical functional groups. So how to write the name of the compound in case of 2 identical functional groups? So just numbering give like this 1 2. So 1 comma 2 here 1 carbon, second carbon, OH groups are attached. So how to write name? 2 carbons are there. What is the name? Ith. Okay. Here single bond is there. Ith N. Okay. Ith 2 carbons ith, single bond is there in the parent chain N. 1 comma 2 diol ethane. But here in case of identical functional group students, identical functional groups you have to write complete primary suffix. You should not remove last letter E. Understanding? It is not replaced by the secondary suffix. But in this case one functional group is there means E is replaced by the secondary suffix. But in the case of identical functional groups E is not replaced by the secondary suffix. Clear? A in full form you have to write. Ethane. 1 comma 2 diol. Understanding? 1 comma 2 2 are there. OH groups diol. OH there means ol. Okay. With 2 carbons. So here primary suffix is N. Secondary suffix is functional groups 1 comma 2 diol. In this case also COH. 2 identical functional groups are there. 2 identical functional groups. Then how to write the name? Okay. See here how to write the name. How to write now? From where you have to start the numbering? You can select any one. From here to here or here to here also we can take. Because COH group is there. To the carbon always should give the number 1. Understanding? So must assign number 1. So here I am selecting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. This is the parent chain. Then how to write the name of the compound? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon atoms are there. Right. Now how to select the parent? This is the parent chain. How to write the name? Here no substituent, no side chains. Total 5 carbons are there. From root word we have to start the numbering. We have to start the name. Name of the compound pent. 5 carbons pent. Here all are single bonds. AN. Full form you have to write. Pentane. And here 1 comma 5 dioic acid. 1 comma 5 dioic acid. Clear? Dioic acid. Clear? COH functional group is there means what we have to call? Oic acid. Oic acid. Dioic acid. 2 are there. Dioic acid. Understanding students? So this is about the organic compounds having 2 or more identical functional groups there means like this we have to write the name. Clear? Understood students? I hope you like this video students. If you like this video please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you students. Thank you very much.